This is a video chart presentation of Videolocity brought to you by allpennystocks.com. Videolocity is a pink sheet stock trading our ticker VCTY. It's on our stocks to watch this week. Nice looking bottom play. Took off yesterday, huge volume. See some of the things that we saw. Very nice positive divergence. Well, the PPS is trending down, MACD is trending back towards zero. We always say the closer that MACD gets to zero, the harder you need to focus on a possible move. Same way with the PPO. Nice trend. ADX down very low. Started to make a nice upward move yesterday. You can see it's getting a little bit of uptrend to the ADX. We want to see that channel continue. Break through 20. And ultimately, you're looking down the road for a breakthrough 30 to put this into a true trend, as hopefully the PPS is developing an upward channel. All the buying pressure yesterday just rocketed the MFIs. Momentum traders will look at this now as a breakthrough 80 is a strong move. It's bullish. See a little bit of uptrend that was going on with the accumulation distribution. Of course, that launched yesterday as well with the buying. What we're looking for through there is we wanted to see it make a new high. You can see it's just now making that. We want to see that maintain that. And once again, continue its upward movement. We'll look for the next level to be somewhere around here. But most importantly, we're just looking for this to start trying to keep some upward momentum to it. Get its way out of this downward slide that it's been in. Shaky money flow is going right along with everything else. A little bit of an uptrend to it. Of course, took off with the buying pressure. CCI is just a classic case of some upward trends. All positive divergences that ultimately saw the price per share take off. Buy point, of course, by definition, is the break of 100. It's a hold until it breaks back down through 100. Even if it breaks back down, we're going to look for this upward trend to continue, try and hold above zero, and then put together another move. Full stow just now showing some momentum is really coming into this stock. We're going to look for that %D to continue its upward movement. We want to see that get above 50 as well. We're going to look for this to try and put together and hold an area up above there. That's what you want to see. You want to see it holding and trending over 50 with both lines. Full stow had itself a nice trend back towards zero as well. We're just going to look for that to continue. In the very long term, the break of zero is extremely bullish. That's where you want to see the tricks, holding and trending above that. These RSIs, just to maintain, we're going to want to see those 14 and 21 both hold over 50 as well. See something similar to this. Starts to break through 50, holds it. You can see the price per share found its move. Eventually led to almost a clean double. So that's what we're going to be looking for here, is for this to hold above, continue to trend over 50. You can see just a huge move yesterday, up 50%, 62 million shares traded, closed at 003. In technical analysis, this gap above the 50-day on big volume is extremely bullish. I actually didn't check and see if Videolocity had news yesterday, and that's what spurred it. I'm not sure. It's just a technical look at it. But what we're going to want to see now is even if this wants to retrace, hold that 50-day moving average. You want to see that 50-day start to roll and curl and start heading back north. So even if a retrace happens, we're going to look for that area to hold. There definitely is some PPS support right there where it started the day yesterday. Of course, I'm not zoomed in close enough. It just still says 002. That appears to be in the area of 0024. So we're going to want to see it pull upon that price per share support and that 50-day moving average on any pullback and then continue its upward trend. It has some resistance right there where it is right now. See a little bit of price per share struggle with 003 in the past. So any continued upward movement is going to have to break through that resistance. We're going to be looking for this to take out 0037 and make a new high. Of course, it'll be well outside the Bollinger Bands at that point, and stocks do have a difficult time holding outside of it. What you look for is it'll go a few days outside of it, and then it'll want to slide back inside as the Bollinger Bands will gap real wide on a strong move. It'll catch up to the price per share. Then you look for it to slide back inside, hold the upper part of the bollies, and then pull upon support levels to show a great deal of strength in a very bullish chart, and that this will indeed have found a bottom at 0015. All in all, great call for bottom play this week. Today we're going to have our eyes out for continuation, the break of this resistance, and the challenging of the 004 area. Again, any sort of pullback, look for this area to hold, and for this to continue its upward trend, and this chart will still maintain a very bullish look. We'll get the crossing of the money line with the MACD, things of that nature, that show that this chart's truly found a bottom and going to continue an upward trend from there forward. As always, annotated video chart is merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence, consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.